revolution with a solution. We're gonna take it to the overload. Rebel, radical retribution. We're here to get what we are owed. I think my head is gonna explode. I think my head is gonna explode, yeah. I think my brain is gonna overload. I think my head is gonna explode, yeah. Behind. You wanna meet us in a confrontation. Our psychic weapons will destroy your mind. I think my head is gonna explode. I think my head is gonna explode, yeah. I think my brain is gonna overload. I think my head is gonna explode. Now is the time, yeah, to do it right. They rule by fear and try to keep us down, but they can see that these conditions will spark the fury of the underground. I see it on the global transmission. It's almost ready to overload.